Hello and welcome back to my daily blog, #KeepTheNationGardening. I want to keep everyone active and outside in their own gardens while this beautiful weather is around. Today I'm going to be deadheading these narcissi, Tate or Tate, and you can do this with daffodils as well. As soon as the flowers are over, just nip off the heads. You'll see here that the new seeds are forming just behind the old flower. You want to take those off and get rid of them. If you don't, it won't be able to put as much energy back into the bulbs for next year. Now normally I don't have time to go around and do this, but this year I do have, so hopefully we will get better plants next year. We want to move this pot of daffodils or narcissi into a shady location for the summer because I don't want to be looking at the empty pot. But now I need to leave it in full sun for 6 weeks. I'm going to put a little note in my diary to say in 6 weeks time I can remove the foliage from here and move this pot into a shadier location. What I don't want you to do is fold these leaves over in half and bundle them up with an elastic band or some string or something like that. A, it just looks weird, but B, the leaves can't photosynthesize, take the energy back into the bulbs and give you lots of beautiful flowers for next year. That's my top tip for today. So today's question is about asparagus, and this one comes from Paul, who's in France. Do you grow asparagus, and have you got a variety that you'd recommend? I don't grow it at the moment. I have grown it on my allotment from seed. It took about 4 years before I got a crop. I've grown it from a crown, which I bought in a pot, and that cropped within about 2 years. You can crop it a little bit when it's young, but it's most productive between years kind of 7 and 20, but it will last around 20 to 30 years really. It's an amazing crop, it's perennial. This is my favourite variety. It's called Asparagus Guelph Millennium. And I've chosen that because it grows in a very wide range of soils and it's great for colder climates like the UK and the part of France that you are in. So you'll get a nice early crop from this, and that is my answer to your question. Keep your questions coming in. I've got quite a backlog at the moment, but I will get through them all. Keep your questions coming in at Bestall Co. Send me those questions via Instagram, Facebook, or reply to these videos and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Until tomorrow, bye bye.